Mctoda spokesperson Mctoda said a meeting with the Jaintia Hills Cement Manufacturers Association and the All Jaintia Cement and Clinker Transports Association President Balian Tubro at Jalia Bypass in East Jaintia Hills was held to streamline truck loading as instructed by the Deputy Chief Minister. He informed that 18 trucks sent to a cement plant the previous day could not be loaded due to a misunderstanding. The meeting, he said, aimed to resolve the issue and ensure smooth loading processes at the factories. Mctoda said the discussion also covered route planning for dispatching trucks and ways to ensure profitability. While the government had fixed the transportation rate at ₹9, the main focus was clarifying procedures for deploying trucks. He stated that the meeting resulted in a clear understanding among all stakeholders. He added that the cement company would create a WhatsApp group to share daily vehicle requirements and the Mctoda would set up its own group to coordinate orders. This system, he said, would streamline communication and help manage transport demand from different dealers and regions. Mctoda reiterated that trucks should only be sent after receiving official orders from the company. He noted that earlier requests for clarity had not fully succeeded and a general meeting on the 6th of December will address all pending issues, including points yet to be accepted by the company. Admitting that the Truck Owners and Drivers Association had mistakenly sent uneven numbers of trucks to factories the previous day, he said the new system would prevent such errors. On vehicle registration, he stated that while the Transport Department would verify documents and update the company, unverified vehicles would temporarily be allowed to operate, reflecting improving cooperation. He concluded that the general meeting on the 6th of December would provide further public updates, especially as recent strikes had limited large gatherings, with the last one held in Maurangkeneng.
Henry ngiwan hang ni mentaka sengitang man ya keren mangin yo ya ke loading namar kumba laptha daki Deputy Chief Minister baru arngut atau pormi kendu kiong ba ngidon kam ngi kendu bat ki cement factory man yo load tengi ngani thu epi ka story ka banokong menin ngi lapha e kali khat pratli kali ngi lapha chate chapo cement factory Henry ngi nam yo load ngi klam yo load menin te hadin kata par kini ki cement factory namar ka don ka jinsau thu bakla ka jongki te ngi na kelen jong ngi call ki te hadin kata par ki khot ngi bingin ya kendu manta kasni te ngi na kelen jong ngi wan manta kasni ban ya penbe ya kani andrei ngi klem sim ya kanu kamat andrei ngi wan hang ne manta kasni tang ban ya kren bat i ban ya ka loading kamut kumala ya kren office trekam sekretariat langba jingdon rengkat di Deputy CM bat i DC bat i SP bat kiwe ba ngidon kam ban ya kendu bat ki ban ya kren ya ke bisnes ke jongi tengilawan halor kata kanong rim bat kabaar ngi mene ngi wan tang ban ya kren kumangong mene ngi kren tang nak mentaka loading te kamot namar ngiru na MC Tudang imde ki ba experience namar ka sen ka banengkong ba ngin late load tengidon kam hi ban sim ka experience na kini ki cement factory ban tip ya road map kumnungin pha kali ne kumnungin yo ya kata kanong hoy wala ka nong ka jingkit ngilayo la debu dai honorable deputy CM jongi kendai tangka te bat ngidon kampat ban penjanai ya kata kom pha kali te menta ka singi ki ngi seo komen ban nong khendiat ombaro 6% handa khendiat kamut kalawan cara jing singiau tu ba ngiwan hang ni ban yakren ya loading te kamut ki la kular ban create ya kawai ke WhatsApp group man shna ya kawai ke WhatsApp group hang ha kata ke WhatsApp group kamut kin pha ya ke requirement ke jongki kanu tuligi kali ki requirement ha ke chisngi ngiro kum ke MC Toda ngin pha ha kata grukom te na kali jongi ngim don ne ke jing kren menne ngi kren hi tang ye ta ibanta nomor ya katu ngilayo ya ka minutes of meeting ba ngin stick ya ka minutes of meeting ba dia ki ba ngila adep race ha ki issue mana kene ki bala adep ngim kata ya kata ngiwan menne kumanga ong ipi menne ya kador ngi lada bi keren apo sekretariat but ya kataka ya kiwei ngidon hadu ngiau teliki points tengim kata ya kita barok khoj handai menne ngiwan tangkat ni spesifik ba kumno ngin pha ya kali jongi nadu la syai ban le chop po cement factory ya kata kalau komuniti na kata kadaw ngingiwan hang ni namar ngingim syula ban pha namar kumbang ong yepi ba ngimtip ke hangno ki cement factory ki yo order pi te na kata kadaw menne ngiwan ban ya keren bat ki company namar ba ki tip namar ki de gi nong chna cement ki de gi nong chna nong di cement gi de gi tang ki nong kit nong ya ki cement factory tengiwan hang ni menta kasi tang ban sim naki ya kata ke order lani ban china ya kata ke WhatsApp group kemun ha kata ke WhatsApp group kan long kumni namar kini ki dealer jongki cement factory ki lapha ya ke requirement ke jongki chaki company te kini ki company pat kin pha pat shangi ken show example menta kum ha asor apo chulong don kam sau kali ta nakani ka sau amde tang go cement factory amde tang star don kam yo don giba order ha dalmia don giba order ha topsem don giba order ha ka maximum tagamut kini ki cement factory kin pha shingi lang ba ka WhatsApp group la ki jong kita ki company ki jong ki ke ni dang bun kumbanga ong yepi ngi kumbanga ong yepi ngi wan hang ni menta ka sngi tang ban ya kren ya ka loading henry ya kita ki mat ki jura kiba ka association jongi ka request ngam ong ya kten demand ngong request naki kam pat long shai ngim pat long shai do menta namar ba ngi don ya ka meeting hakan riu tarik tengamla ban brief ya pi ya ki barokoi namar ngi don ka central committee ne central meeting hakan riu tarik te ha kata ka sngi ngi kren lut barokoi ya ki point ki banangsa ki point ki baladep but ngimla ahiru ban len ba shibun nang don ki points ba ka company ka claim pat pediang claim pat accept ya ka jing request ki jongi te na kata kadaw menne nga repeat biang sechisen ni wan hang ne tang ban ya keren bat ki ban singaw thu kumno bangin pha kali shaki te ki ong yangi menne tongi ne china da WhatsApp group te yak ek requirement ke jongi ha kata ka WhatsApp group insa pha shapi pi pat pha no yaki kali jong pi ha ne WhatsApp group tatang te ngi klem sim hero yake agenda namar ki bobon ki agenda ila da bekren hapo sekretariat Shillong rengkat bat di deputy CM bat ki DC bat SP bat ki member jongi khamtam na 2% rangba bat di sekretari rangba bat kiwe te ngi wan hang ni tang man mentang si tang ya ita bangin long shai ba kumno nginang ban pha kali namar la don ka jimbakla ka jongi wat na liang an sitoda menin namar ngi pat ju pha kali te menin ngi la pha chagi bangi pha bun ngi la pha bun chagi bom don ngi klem don pe te nak ta daw ko mot kini ki company ki khot yangi ba menta bangin hap shina da ka WhatsApp group ngin sa pha chapi ngin se pen be ka WhatsApp group te itahi bat ka ba arpan ngi sio khendiat kumaga ong pi khendiat ngi sio kemen menne ba lada ngi base na ka minutes of meeting kamut ngi don kam man pha ya ki RC ki jong ngi baro saka transport department hadien ba transport department kan le verification ya gitu kan pha na company andai menta ka singi pat ka company ka ong yangi ba to kat ban pat dep le verification ya ki RC jong pi dang pha chwa kum tu ya ki kali jong pi ngi dang accept ya ki te hadien pat anda ngi yo ya verification na po transport tangamut ngin sa syong meeting biang te kata hi kade ka kawai ka bang ngi peni ba ka don hi ka jing singaw thu between ki company bat kem Mctoda bat ka baar hajing dei bat kita ki klingkar hajing dei bat ki door ne ki ngam ko aban kren namar gitu kila don po ka minutes of meeting te na karmen scam ba hakan riu trik hadien ke general meeting jongi baro khoj in sa brief chapi hatu la upai ba updiang ne em ya kini ke barok khoj namar pilatip nadu bangila adab ya ketugo strike ngi klam yo ban pelong ya ke general meeting ke bahe ngi yo tang chisen ha to ha chwab ngi meeting ha morkeneng tangi klam yo shu tangi don kampat ban chong padde ban brief cho ba ya ke ka bangile kren ha ketugo sngi ha po sekretariat te hagan riu trik ladangam baklang sa call ke meeting te hang ta pin sa chai bat ngin sa pentip hiro ya phi ki lat patai kubor ba pin yo ban pensngeu sha kabri uhnyo trap